Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to install a split AC. If you're new to HVAC or just curious how the installation works, this guide is perfect for you. So let's get started. Alright folks, let's dive into the essentials for a smooth split AC installation. First up, gather your tools: drill machine, wall bracket, copper pipes with insulation, vacuum pump, level meter, screwdrivers, spanner set, and an electrical tester. But before you start, remember, safety first. Turn off the main power to avoid any shocks. And don't forget your gloves and goggles to protect those precious hands and eyes. Lastly, ensure your ladder is stable before climbing up. With these tools and safety tips, you're all set for a successful installation. Let's talk about installing your indoor unit, step by step. First, choose the right wall. Solid, no direct sunlight, and 7 to 8 feet from the floor. Next, install the mounting plate. Use a level meter to ensure it's straight. Drill a hole for copper pipes, wires, and the water drain. Carefully connect the copper pipe, control wire, and water drain pipe. Mount the indoor unit securely on the bracket. Pro tip: keep a gentle slope in the drain pipe for proper water flow. Now, for the outdoor unit, place it on a flat surface or wall bracket. Maintain a 1 to 2 feet distance from walls for ventilation. Connect copper pipes and electrical wires from the indoor unit. Attach the drain pipe for condensation. Ensure the outdoor unit is on vibration pads to reduce noise. Alright, let's get this system airtight and efficient. First, grab that vacuum pump and clear out all the air and moisture from those copper pipes. Next, check for any leaks using a leak detector or some good old soap water. Now, if your outdoor unit is pre-charged, go ahead and open those gas valves. Finally, make sure everything's sealed up tight and ready to go. All right, let's get this power connection right. First, connect the power supply properly. Now, turn on the AC and listen closely. Check for cooling, any unusual noise and vibration. Next, grab the remote and test all its functions. Make sure everything's responsive. Finally, check the water drainage from the indoor unit. We want a smooth flow, no leaks. And that's how you install a split AC step by step. Proper installation is very important for energy efficiency and long life of the AC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends. Thanks for watching.